Good morning everybody. Today I am going to discuss about how to find equation of line. So many cases are there. So the case 1, if a line passes through a point which position vector is given and that line is parallel to another vector, then what is the equation of line? So you just follow this here. So case 1, equation of line passing through a point whose position vector is a vector and parallel to a vector b vector is given by r vector plus r vector is equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. So here this is the graph, this is x-axis, here is y-axis and here is z-axis. So this is the line, this point is given whose position vector is a vector. Let that point be a. So a vector is equal to a vector. To find the equation we have to consider an arbitrary point on that line. Let that point be capital B and here I am taking this vector is arbitrary point. So position vector of point B, this is r vector. So O A vector is a vector, O B vector, this is what is our A B vector? Now A B vector by using triangle of vector, so A B vector it is, this is OA plus AB is equal to OB vector. So AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector. Understood my point? But here, this is equal to R vector minus OA vector. OA vector is A vector. Here AB vector is equal to OB vector minus OA vector, it is R vector minus A vector. So what is our R vector? Now vector R is equal to here AB vector plus A vector. Understood? But how to find this AB? As this is parallel to this vector, if two vectors are parallel, what is the condition? If any vector A vector is parallel to B vector, what is the condition? This implies a vector is equal to any arbitrary constant into B vector. Yes or no? So like that, here AB vector is parallel to AB vector is parallel to B vector. So here AB vector, this is equal to any constant into B vector. And put that here. So this is lambda into B vector plus A vector. Understood? Therefore, we got it here. The equation of line is A vector plus lambda into B vector. So this is the equation of line in vector form. Understood my point? To consider one example. Let us consider one example. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line passing through the point whose position vector is 2i plus 3j minus k. Understood my point? Which is parallel to a line which is parallel to a vector given by minus I plus j plus 7k. So it is here A is given, B is given. Understood my point? What is about that equation of line? So R vector is equal to, simply you have to use the formula. It is R vector is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector. So this is A vector is given 2i plus 3j minus k and lambda into B vector, here lambda B vector is minus I plus j plus 7k. So this is the equation of line. So you have to write only this much. You read the question thoroughly, you find out what is our A vector, then you have to find out what is our B vector. Understood my point? Thereafter use the formula R is equal to A vector plus lambda into B vector and using this just write out like this. So this is the vector equation of a line. How to find the equation of line in Cartesian form? You just follow this. Equation of line passing through a fixed point x1, y1, z1. Having direction ratios ABC, then the equation of line is x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 by b is equal to z minus z1 by c. This is the Cartesian form of equation of line. This is also called as symmetrical form of line. Symmetric form of line. Understood? So how to find this? as we know, the vector equation of line r is equal to a vector plus lambda into b vector. Understood my point? So from this question it is clear that as it passes through fixed point x1 y1 z1, you just compare to vector equation of line. So here a vector that is x1 into I cap, y1 into z cap plus z1 into k cap. Understood my point? What is our b vector? As direction ratios are given ABC, so b vector itself here ai plus bj plus c. Understood? What is our position vector? R vector. Now R vector is simply write down it is xi plus yj plus z. Now you put it here in this equation, what we will get? Therefore, x into I cap, y into z cap plus z into k cap, this is equal to a vector is x1 into I cap, y1 into z cap plus z1 into k cap plus lambda into here, it is ai plus bj plus c. Understood my point? Now you simplify this, what will get? It is x minus x1 into I cap plus y minus y1 into j cap plus z minus z1 into k cap. This is equal to lambda into here ai plus bj plus c. Understood that point? Now you just follow this. Here left side one vector, right side another vector. So equating two vectors, what we will get? We will get here x minus x1 is equal to a into lambda. This implies x minus x1 divided by a. This is lambda. Another here, equating the coefficient of j, so y minus y1, it is b into lambda. This implies y minus y1 divided by b, this also lambda. Again, z minus z1 is equal to c into lambda. This implies z minus z1 divided by c. This is lambda. So, equating this left hand side, what we will get? Therefore, x minus x1 divided by a is equal to y minus y1 divided by b. This is z minus z1 divided by c. This is equal to lambda. So, this is the equation of line, and this is also called as the symmetric form of line, and this is in the Cartesian form. Understood? This is the equation of line here, x minus x1 by a that equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by c. So these are some important points, very very important. If line passing through point x1 by 1 z1 with the direction cosides element, then here equation of line is x minus x1 by l is equal to y minus y1 by l is equal to z minus z1 by l. Here ABC are the direction ratios, here 11 are direction cosines. If direction cosine is there also, then same as like equation of line in this case. Okay. So how to find any point on this line? You just consider this is equal to lambda, clear? And x minus x1 is equal to a into lambda, y minus y1 by b is equal to this, so y minus y1 is equal to b into lambda, and z minus z1 is equal to c into lambda. So by taking this, we consider here, you find out x, y, z, x is equal to x1 plus a lambda, y is equal to y1 plus b lambda, z is equal to z1 plus c lambda. So this is the any point on the line. This is very very important because we need it for the questions. Okay. Now the question is, what is the equation of coordinate axis? You just follow this. Here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. What are the direction cosine of x-axis? No doubt it is 1, 0, 0. Understood? So what is the equation of x-axis? So equation of x-axis, that is x minus 0 divided by 1, y minus 0 divided by 0, and z minus 0 divided by 0. Why you consider 0, 0, 0? Because this x-axis passing through origin. Understood my point? So no doubt this is x by 1 that equal to y by 0 that equal to z by 0. So this is the equation of x-axis. Similarly, what is our equation of y-axis? It is x by 0, this is y by 1 and z by 0. This is equation of y-axis. Similarly, equation of z-axis, here x by 0, this is y by 0 and this is z by 1. This is very important, equation of x-axis, equation of y-axis and equation of z-axis. So dear students, you go through the video, write it down, and this is very important, equation of line passing through a point and parallel to a vector and passing through point with direction ratios and direction cosines are there. So you have to remember only the formula, because in exam we need only formula, and whatever the derivation, it is for your fundamental part and we have to do it properly, and then after you try to do some questions of